No, you didn't catch me slipping. Hey folks, this is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. I'm out here working outdoors on my Wi-Fi, something I could never do before, thanks to the good folks at rockspace. This is a mesh Wi-Fi system, 3 nodes that connect into your existing system that's going to give you expanded coverage, tons and tons more coverage. Let's see, I think it's up to 6,000 square feet. And now I'm getting Wi-Fi out on the dock, out on the lake, on the porch, like I never did before. Okay, so how did this save me money? I was paying for 2 internet systems. I had Spectrum in the house, and in the studio upstairs I had Frontier for fast uploads, but they were so far apart I wasn't able to get coverage. I got this, added this to my Frontier, and now I got 6,000 square feet covered above and beyond, very much because of a really fantastic program. Okay, so how did you set it up? It was way easier than I thought. All I did was unplug my wireless router, plugged in the mesh Wi-Fi, plugged it in the wall, went to my phone, connected it, looked at the password on the back of the box, connect the other 2 nodes. I've got one in the main Wi-Fi room, one in the utility room, and one in the master bedroom, actually in the closet. And you know what? It's absolutely fantastic. I'm getting high-speed internet. We're gonna show the Frontier speed test on the side so you can see how fast I'm getting, but this thing is ridiculously, potentially very fast. Compatible broadband speed of over 500 megabits per second, coverage of 6,000 square feet. You can have up to 12 nodes supported, so you can expand this all over the place if you really want. And this is a 3-pack, which supports up to 120 devices, which is probably more than you need. Pretty awesome, right? So I'm very excited about Rockspace Tri-Band. Stick around, we have the unboxing coming up, but an absolutely fantastic product. It says the RSD0613 is a whole home mesh Wi-Fi system designed for medium to large households with a high-speed broadband service. Powered by Rockspace mesh technology, it creates a distributed network with several nodes throughout the home. This 3-pack is able to cover up to 6,000 square feet, an AC 2100 tri-band design with full gigabit ports support, and give full play to your high-speed broadband system. When I had the speed test this, they said you'll have no problem running HD videos, gaming, all sorts of phones and devices without any issues. This is 4K videos, VR HD applications, features easy wire-free installation and auto networking. And that's the thing I have to really push on this. I was skeptical. A lot of times, people send me products and I'm like, I don't know if I want to install this. I installed it, love it. This is Elite Demonstrations. I'm Adam. At Elite Demonstrations, we only show you the best of the best. You have to buy it, use it, and like it before we'll show it on a video. And this Wi-Fi net mesh system is absolutely fantastic. It says, with seamless roaming in your house, the RSD0613 creates a high-speed and intelligent mesh Wi-Fi system throughout your entire home. Or business, I guess. So anyway, folks, super easy to set up. Again, just plug it into your existing system, enter the password that's on the back, and connect the nodes to power outlets, really. Just connect them to power outlets. You got huge Wi-Fi capability, and this is gonna allow me to cancel my Spectrum, which I'm tired of. Super exciting. That's gonna save me 80 bucks a month easy. Hi folks, thanks again for watching. Stick around for the unboxing. I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Again, the best of the best, so you can forget the rest. Thanks for watching, and stick around. All right, it's time for the bonus portion of the video where we do the unboxing. You guys always request this, want to see it. It's not something that maybe everyone wants to see at the beginning of the video, so we throw it in at the end and we show you the complete unboxing. So if you're buying this item, guess what? Oh, hit the camera there, sorry about that, a little shaky. You get to feel what it feels like to open this thing for yourself. Now, when I do this portion of the video, I don't know a lot about the product, haven't tested it, don't know what all the pieces and parts are. So it's my opportunity to look at it with a fresh set of eyes, just like you, and if I get anything wrong, we'll correct it in the other portions of the video. So it's Rockspace Tri-Band Home Mesh Wi-Fi System, AC 2100 Tri-Band design, full gigabit ports, covers up to 6,000 square feet, you kidding me? 900 megahertz dual core, handling more devices on your network. That's really incredible. So the idea being, You can put it in 3 different locations and get a ton of coverage. We have the attic studio in the house, so that's going to be great because sometimes the 5G does not go up there. All right, so let's see. Tri-band mesh technology with multiple nodes delivers whole home Wi-Fi coverage, seamless roaming and automatic switching Wi-Fi network to ensure internet connection everywhere. Easy and wire-free install and automatic networking make it a breeze, and enhanced wireless signal module smart antenna brings stronger wireless cross-floor level penetration. You like that level penetration? All right. This one is over 500 megabits per second, up to 6,000 square feet. Mesh nodes supported up to 15,000 square feet. And max number of devices 120. Geez, I gotta buy some more devices. I thought I had enough vices. So here's some basic information. Let's see. Download the app, iOS, Android, etc. Free app, no less. If you need help setup, Rockspace got you. These would be the 3 devices here. Boom, boom, boom. Looks like they're pretty fantastic. Oh, they're lightweight. Almost look like little cube speakers. Ethernet cable. And looks like power supplies. So it's going to be easy peasy to set up. Just set up the app and you're good to go. All right, folks. Very excited to get going on this bad boy. Wow, how smooth is that? Like, the setup on this is going to be fantastic. You can already tell. They got their stuff together so you're not struggling and figuring out exactly what to do with their cool devices. All right. These things look so futuristic, don't they? They look like something out of a Marvel movie. You know what I'm talking about. These are the cubes. The Tesseract right here, folks. All right. So get your Rockspace Tesseracts. Just joking. Fantastic. Straight out of a Marvel movie. You're going to dig them. Let's take these out of the plastic so you can see them. You got 3 of them. They're fantastic. 3 power supplies, and one of them is going to connect into your internet. All right, folks. Thanks again for watching. Adios, amigos.